Welcome to today's guide where we'll be walking through how to set light mode on Snapchat with the latest updated steps. If you prefer a brighter and cleaner look for your app, switching on light mode is quick and simple. Let's go step by step so you can make the change in just a few moments. First, start by opening Snapchat on your mobile device. Give it a moment to load up until you're on the camera screen, which is the main page you normally see when you launch the app. Next, tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen. This will open up your profile page where you can see your Snap code, your friends, and all of your settings options. From here, look to the upper right corner where you'll notice a small gear icon. Go ahead and tap that gear icon to enter the settings menu. Once you're inside settings, scroll down until you find the section called App Appearance. This is the area where you can decide how Snapchat looks on your phone. Tap on it, and you'll see the different appearance modes available. You'll notice a few choices here, but to enable light mode, simply select Always Light. The moment you tap this option, the app will instantly switch to the brighter interface style. Your chats, profile pages, and main camera screen will all now have a clean, light background for easier visibility in everyday use. And that's it. In just 3 easy steps, you've set Snapchat to light mode. To quickly recap, open Snapchat, head to your profile, and tap the gear icon for settings, scroll to App Appearance, and choose Always Light. Now every time you open the app, it'll stay bright by default without you needing to adjust anything again. If you ever want to switch back later, you can follow these same steps and pick another option, like dark mode or match system, to line up with your phone's theme. Enjoy your refreshed Snapchat experience with light mode. It's simple, clear, and always easy on the eyes.